There he is right there. There he's okay, he's way down there. Alright, here comes the CSX right down there. Trying to zoom on him. He's got a pretty good mile away down there, isn't he? This is our first train. Signals lit up. Looks like we got a green signal for the westbound mark. So he's coming very soon. We might go. This I don't know what symbol this train is. I can hear him now. Here he comes. You can zoom on him down there. There he is. Down there he is. I can see his lights now. Get a whole beautiful picture of both hands. We'll zoom on him. This is our here comes. This is should start honking. Should start honking. And this is a eastbound. This is a K5 third gen K5HL on this one. Watch, he should start honking. This is CSX I-136. Double stack terrain. Two locomotives up front. That car there. On the bridge today. Got intermodal. This is an westbound intermodal train. Look, you feel that wind. Wind still, very cold. I kind of like it. He's moving very fast. This is all double stack. This is all intermodal track terrain. That was a loud horn. It was loud. DBU. Mid one. 3 engines. Had a DBU on this one. Mid DBU one. Mid engine. This is the green down there. You can still see the green. This is quite fast. You're not selling that car. You're not selling that one. Look, there's like snow on the snow on them. Look at that snow on the cars right there. Big fast, big terrain right here. And this is the longest one. It's a pretty fast train too. Fast train right there. See here. See this train is. This is CSX I-136 right here. I-136 double stack train, intermodal train. He is really moving too. He is really moving too. This is another big train, another big one, another long train too. Intermodals are CSX really big, doesn't do big intermodals. This is a cold day. This is January 26th, 2023. It is winter. I can't be handling great brave in the cold. Man, this is a huge one. This is a long train. There's the end, right? See, there's the end right there. There's the end of the I-136 right there. Big double stack, gigantic stack train right there. We do have another, here goes another train. Here's our second CSX train. We have here, is our second CSX train. Another K5HL. Definitely shucking too. Awesome, CSX, another CSX 3239. Power on that train. This is another CSX enter. Another CSX. This is gonna be M416. This should be. There's not another model. Here's M416. Here's CSX M416. Here's CSX M416. This train came next, M416. This is the train. Mark is running late today. Find out the Mark is running. He'll be coming soon. This is our second CSX train. M416. Right. Got the Lord there. Boxcars. This is our second CSX train. M416. Heading west. Awesome. Another train. Cool train. Radio cars. Look at that. There you go. Another cool train. Cool. Another bit out of CSX. That's probably had a good. Not the signal now. Another big train. A lot of rail power on it. A lot of EMD power on this one. That was really cool too. Feel that turn on that train right there? That was really cool there. Not a big giant train. Not these long trains. This is CSX M416 right here. Big man, big freight person. This must be a really big freight train too. It's not a big freight train right here. Lots of hoppers on this train. Camera's a little blurred out. There we got it, the focus. Here's CSX M416, westbound Internet freight train. This is another big train. Got like grain cars. This is supposed to be a really big train. Look at this. This is another big train right here. This is CSX M416. Manifest freight train. There's the end of M416. There's the end of M416 right there. M416 right there. Big manifest freight train. Hey, what's up? Hello everyone. We are here at the Germantown Mark station. We're gonna catch. Here comes Mark P883, which is running 7 minutes late. It's because two CSX trains give you M416 and I-136 and M416 passed. I-136 had a mid-DP on it, and so they're gone. So here comes Mark 883. He's arriving now. Good to see. There's the Mark. There's some Mark down there. There's another train. We do have another train coming. Another CSX. Look at that. We're not going to train meet. Look at that. There's the CSX. We got a meet. What do you think? We got a train meet here, guys. There's the Mark. Okay, there's the Mark. Okay, we got a meet. We got a train meet. Awesome meet. Okay, there's the Mark. There's the Mark. There's the CSX. Awesome meet. Train meet. Awesome meet. We got a meet. There's the Mark. There's the Mark. There's the CSX right down there. Okay, there's the CSX. Okay, all right, get 3 CSX trains already. Awesome. There's the Mark. There's the Mark. Here's the CSX. Awesome K5 and shell right there. There's the Mark. Engine number 13 leading. that is. There goes, there's the end of the mark, 883 right there. That was a really cool meet. What a meet right there that is. Hey guys, what's up guys? We got a green 40 for westbound freight CSX train. Here comes the CSX train now. Here comes our next CSX train. Here comes the train, CSX train. We got a water westbound train coming. Here it comes. You can hear it now. Here it comes. Here comes CSX. I don't know what this train is. Well, it's a freight train. Definitely some Gevos. There he is. I can hear. Definitely Gevo. Definitely Shuggy for sure. He's definitely got cars leaning. What's on this train? Here comes our next. Here comes CSX. There he is. There he is. Around the curve. There's the red. Turn that red. Just turn red. Beautiful. Another cool horn on this train. CSX train. An awesome CSX day. 812. On this train. It's really slow today. Slow coal train. I don't know why he's slow today. It's slow today. This train is slow. It's very slow. He's a slow one today. So yeah, slow coal train. He is slow. We're getting a ton of trains. A lot of CSX trains today. This is really cool. This is a coal train. Lots of what a cool coal train it is. I like these hoppers too. They're pretty big hoppers. You like these hoppers. These are a couple of coal hoppers. It's kind of a slow train. Okay, it's starting to speed up now. Kind of a big one too. Man. So yeah. Yep. Here is the CSX coal train. We have this is our coal. There's the end. There's that coal train right there. Pretty big one, right? Pretty cool coal train right there. Pretty cool coal train right there too. What a cool coal train that is right there. What a coal, that was a really big coal train too. You can see it down there. You can still see him down there. There you can still see him down there. Yeah, you can see him, so you can still see him down there. Coal train right there. It's a mark. Here comes the mark. Non-stopping mark. Should start honking. I can tell it's not stopping at all. Yep, here comes Amtrak. That's Amtrak. You can tell from the engine. Here comes 29. You can hear, I like the echo from the horn. Here's 29. The Capital Limited. There's that car right there. Here is the CSX train. There he is. There he is. This is a power mover. That here's loud. There he is. There he is. This is a power mover. L112. I think this is L112 right here. Here goes L112. This is light move. This is honking at me. L112 right here. 900. There is L112 for light power move train locomotives. We'll zoom on them. Let me zoom on them. I can zoom on them. There he is down there. There he is.
Yep, I see him.
I'll zoom on him. We'll zoom on him. How good is that? Like this is a zoom. Here's T875. Now it's stopping here. Now stopping. I can tell he's stopping, right? I can tell he's stopping. Carefully follow him. Kimball tries to get the train's engine. There's the engine, 875. Only in the spring break we can ride one of these trains. Like in the spring. I think in the springtime we can ride one of these trains. Like riding one of these trains. So there's lights on the side of the cars. So you got doors on each side of the train. Let me zoom on this. Let me zoom on the engine. Let me zoom on the